is coming over to sing to you. You want that? Would that be pretty cool? Okay, well let me bring her in. Let's see if she got out of the carriage with the horses that came. Let me see if she's here. Princess, are you still here?
I'm here.
She's still here. Oh.
Hello.
Here she is. There's Marley.
Hello, Marley. I heard it was your birthday. I have a flower for you, and a bracelet, and a puppy. Oh my goodness. Happy birthday. Do you want us to sing you some songs?
All right.
Right.
Well, the princess has some songs for you. Here we go, Marley. Maybe you know this song.
Tale as old as time, true as it can be, carrying facts that tell of events unexpectedly. Both of small to say the least, all the little scared, neither one
The princess has another song for you from Aladdin, I think.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, under, and sideways on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one can tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming of. A new fantastic point of view. 'Cause when you're real here, it's crystal clear. Now I'm in a whole new world. A dazzling place I never knew. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming of a whole new world. A dazzling place I never knew. 'Cause when you're real here, it's crystal clear. Now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Thank you, princess! Wow!
Happy birthday!
Marley, why don't we sing happy birthday to you?
Oh, yes.
All right. Did everybody join us? All right. Everybody, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marley. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marley. Okay, let's stand up and take some pictures with the princess. What do you say?
Gotta get back to the castle. Oh, happy birthday! Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, you're welcome, of course. Happy birthday.